explanation of the control panel on the Paramount SM2-80 mixer. You'll note that there are 3 timers on the mixer. The left-hand timer is for low speed bowl anti-clockwise. The timers on the right is a normal low speed timer with the bowl running clockwise, same direction as the spiral, and your high speed timer. To select auto mode, you have auto or your manual and auto. So auto, the timers will operate. Manual, you'll manually switch between high and low speed. So in auto function, you can have the first timer set so the bowl runs backwards. If you don't wish the bowl to run backwards, just set this timer to 0, and then the mixer will start in the normal direction and then just carry through. If you set a time on the left-hand timer, the bowl will run anti-clockwise for the first part of the time, and then switch to the second low speed, which will have the bowl running clockwise, and then onto high speed, completing at the end. This bottom at the bottom is the bowl jog. This section of the timer or the panel overrides the automatic controls. If you hit the reset button, you'll notice all the lights on the panel are off, and you can operate the machine manually in low and high speed. To reset and come back to the control panel, you need to isolate the machine from the isolator at the side, cycle the power off and back on. Now you have lights back on the timer and the mixer will run normally.